Hello guys, we are Gentry, standing machine manufacturer, standing solution supplier. Today, we bring you a single belt sander. In front of the machine, you can see the feeding table, control panel, and the electric cabinet. Inside the electric cabinet, you can see we use international ABB brand electrics, including the ABB breakers, ABB contactors, and Schneider inverter. Here is the control panel. We can turn on or off the abrasive belt and turn on or off the feeding belt. We can turn on the feeding belt through this press button. And you can see we use this knob to adjust the feeding speed. You can see very slow feeding. And this, you can see very fast feeding. And here is the feeding table. You can see we use the rubber feeding belt to carry on the working pieces. This micro computer is for adjusting the working thickness. And we can program here, like this. So we program thickness 40 millimeter, and the feeding table will automatically go to its position. And these two buttons is also for adjusting the feeding table position. Feeding table fall down, feeding table go up. And this is an emergency stop button. If some emergency situations happen, and we can push this button to stop the machine. Let's see the machine inside. As I told you, this is a single belt sander. Only one belt inside the machine. And this machine is a rubber roller combined with a sanding pad. So this is a combination head, and this hand wheel is for adjusting the position of the sanding pad, and this knob is for adjusting the tension of the belt. And this is the safety device, it's the dust cleaning device. In front or behind the working unit, you can see the press rollers. We use the double press rollers on each press roller holder. And even this is a single belt sander, we use double press rollers with diameter 70 millimeter. Look at the press roller holder. This design is easy to adjust the press roller's position. And it's easy to adjust the position by rotating this board. And we use disc springs on the press rollers. It's for feeding the different thickness working panels. Behind the machine is a cleaning brush. Its function is for cleaning the panels after sanding. You can see the cleaning brush inside the cover. Okay, now I would like to use this solid wood to test this machine. Because these working pieces, the thickness difference is too big, so we need to sand it again. Now we get a very good finishing.